Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 9, 2022. 3 star Sudoku. Column D, column B, we have pair numbers 9 and 5. So 9 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 6th grade, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. 9th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. In the column H, 3 numbers are remaining 183. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, column F, we have pair numbers 219. So 219 can't come in these cells. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, column F, 4th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 3rd row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row and 3rd row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, 6th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column B we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then second row, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 3. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 5 is here. 2nd grade and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 8. It will come in the two cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 3rd row, in the 1st grade, we have 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. 3rd row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining 1 to 7. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, only 1 numbers are remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. The 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 8. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, we get 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column I, we have 5. Sorry, 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 7th grid, only one numbers are remaining 8. 8 is confirmed here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining 3 and 6. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining 3 and 5. Third row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. And third row, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining 5 and 8. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column G, two numbers are remaining 1 and 7. Sixth row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining 3 and 8. Seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Seventh row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Fifth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then seventh row, only one number is remaining 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, two numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, two numbers are remaining 2 and 8. Fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.